Hello, my name is Derek. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to DB Travel, the channel where I'm either traveling, talking about travel, or talking about stuff that I take traveling with me. As you can see here in front of me, I'm a massive Peak Design user. I love their products and I've been using them for a couple of years and have accumulated quite a lot. They make high quality products for everyday use, photographers and videographers, and more recently, even travelers. So I may be a little biased, but I think they're one of the best companies out there for this type of gear, and they're always innovating and expanding their lines. My first exposure to Peak Design products was the capture clip, as it might have been for many of you as well. I have the version 3s here. I've had the original and the version 2s as well, but the concept is the same. It's to securely lock a camera onto a backpack strap or bag for easy carry and quick access. They also make an incredibly strong quick release system for straps using these little dangly bits here. I've got the leash strap and I've actually got one of the larger slide straps. But these dangly bits just go on the strap connectors of pretty much any camera, and you can quickly and reliably connect them to any of these straps, or as I've got here, some of Peak Design's own cuff straps. These dangly little anchors are also versatile enough to be able to attach to bags, tripod cases, or whatever else your imagination can come up with, and carry those as well. Now for travel, I've even bought a couple generations of their bags here in different sizes, as well as some of their carry pouches to carry and store my gear. But today I want to focus on one of Peak Design's newest lines, mobile. So what I have in front of me is just a couple of Peak Design's accessories for the mobile system. I don't have the full lineup, but these are the ones that I think are worth it, and I'm going to show you why. So the 4 accessories that I've decided to purchase so far for the Peak Design mobile system are the everyday case here for my iPhone 13 Pro with the loop, the creator kit, the mobile tripod, and outside on my bike, the out front bike mount. Peak Design makes the everyday case for iPhone, Samsung, and Google Pixel, but the loop here in this case is only for the iPhones. If you don't currently have one of these phones and would like to use the system, Peak Design also offers a universal adapter that can be stuck to the back of any case. So to start off, the everyday case is a pretty slim and stylish case. It does only come in this color, this sort of grayish color, which actually I think looks really nice. But what you'll notice here in the middle is that it actually has this little square, and it's recessed because that's a mechanical portion of the locking system. It does use 4 magnets around the corners here. A bit like MagSafe, they call it Slim Link though. It is also compatible with MagSafe, but it is a lot stronger, trust me. For all intents and purposes, it's basically a normal case, except on the bottom here, you have some mounting points for these little dangly anchors that can be used for Peak Design's own straps and wrist straps that I showed you before. The only thing I think Peak Design should have done more with this case is to have worked with Moment, the mobile lens company, to make a lens mount that fits on it to integrate sort of Moment's mobile lenses, the anamorphics, wides, and telephotos into this system. I think that would be great for mobile photographers and videographers. Moving on, we've got the Creator Kit. Basically what the Creator Kit does is it gives you a quick and easy way to mount your phone to things like selfie sticks, tripods, and the capture clip system that Peak Design makes. In the box it comes with 3 accessories, which I have 2 of right here, which are the mount itself, which has a mechanical portion right there, as well as the magnetic portion around the sides, and it's this nice soft feeling rubber that's not gonna hurt anything. That terminates at the end here with the GoPro-like finger mounts, and then this little piece down here is actually the capture clip or Arca Swiss plate, so you can either put it on a tripod or you can use it in the capture clip system. It connects really quick and easy with the GoPro accessory style finger mounts here. And then there's a little screw to tighten at the bottom here once it is into a tripod or something like that, so that it doesn't shake around and rattle. This is a super secure fit, so if I get this out and I slap it onto the phone there, it is now magnetically and mechanically connected to it, which I cannot pull it off. I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to pull too hard, but I have used this quite a bit and never had any problems. There are just 2 little buttons right here that make it quick release, so you push those in, or even one of them. And wow, the magnet is really tough here, but you just pry it off like that. The one accessory I don't have on the table with me is just a 1/4-20 mount that uses the GoPro style finger mounts to mount that to a selfie stick. And now on to possibly my new favorite product from Peak Design, the mobile tripod. And you might not have even noticed, but it is sitting on my phone right there, It uses the Slim Link technology, or it can actually magnetize to MagSafe cases. It's a super strong magnet there. It does not have the mechanical lock that the Creator Kit has, but the magnets on this are super strong, and trust me, you won't have any problem with them. It's super easy to use. It literally just magnetizes to the back of your phone like that, and then all you do is pull out the legs, fold them out, and you can set your phone any which way. At just 5 millimeters thick, you're never going to have to worry again about propping your phone up on rocks or books, because this will always be with you. It is literally connected to your phone and is pretty inconspicuous, so you'll probably hardly even notice it. In the past, I've used other micro tripods like this Joby here. This does not have any adjustment for the ball head, so if it gets loose, it basically becomes useless because it can't hold the phone. And since this does not magnetize to anything, I've literally lost this in bags or even forgotten it and not had anything to use for my phone. Don't let the small size fool you. Even though it may not look like much, this is very over-engineered in my opinion, which is a very good thing. To unfold it, you just pull at the feet and it pivots around the ball head there. And you can see here that the 3 individual legs fold out from the center, and then you can just fold up and prop the phone up there. It does go in either landscape or portrait mode, so if you're doing a video call, you can do a FaceTime call just like this, or if you're watching a video, you just place it like that and you can watch your video. Now the tripod does come with its own little tool to adjust the tension of the ball head, so if it ever gets loose, you just push down with your fingernail right there. You get this little, it looks like a little hex key, and then there's a place at the side that you'll be able to adjust, if need be, the tension of the ball head itself, which I think is a really handy inclusion on Peak Design's part. Now, even though the tripod is definitely more versatile when the legs are fully unfolded, you can still use it when the legs are folded up to prop up the phone for a video call quick, or even just as a little stand there to watch a video. Or if you forgot your selfie stick at home, just mount it horizontally, pull out the legs, and use it as a selfie stick to keep your arm out of the shot. Moving on to the one I don't have in front of me, the out front bike mount, which uses the mounting system of the Creator Kit, or pretty similar to the mounting system of the Creator Kit, with the magnetic and mechanical mounts, and a long aluminum handlebar mount to mount it to a bike. Lately I'm starting to think it might be the perfect solution for biking, because I can just take my phone, use it like normal, and then when I'm doing my practice rides for Ragbri, all I have to do is clip it to the handlebars, turn on Strava, and go. It comes with little plastic inserts to make sure that you have the right bar size to attach it to, and it comes with a thumb screw or a hex screw. If you decide to use the thumb screw, you can manually loosen the mount and flip it up into POV view, but I've decided to use the hex mount because it's a tighter and more secure fit. I've literally ridden hundreds of miles in preparation for Ragbri over the last few months and never had any problems with the phone falling off or anything coming loose. So as this is a whole solution for mobile phones, you can go on to Peak Design's website and find all of the other accessories, including car mounts, motorcycle mounts, chargers, and even a wall mount if you just want to be able to put your phone up in the kitchen while you're cooking. In conclusion, I think Peak Design's mobile system is a well thought out, high quality, and useful line of products for anybody with a phone. It's definitely a plus that it encompasses mobile photography and videography aspects, as well as not only making them compatible with other lines of Peak Design products, but things like GoPro mounts and MagSafe too. Now they just need that moment support I was talking about earlier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and think I deserve your subscription, click below. As always, links are down there too. And remember, never stop adventuring.